Hello, Wizardos here. Day 23 of AOC 2024 is here, so let's not beat around the bush and off we go. If you have never heard about AOC, check out the first video and first description. You're gonna learn everything and join us there because time is running up. Alright, today we're coming back to Red Team. We're gonna crack some hashes. As time went on by, something seemed funny. Mere malware, the source of his money. Suckmas grew closer. The glitch better move it. Gain access to the wallet so that he could prove it. Glitch has been investigating how mere malware funds his shady operations for quite some time now. Recently, the mayor disposed of various old electronic equipment. One was an old tablet with a cracked screen. Being an avid connoisseur of active and passive reconnaissance who does not mind dumpster digging for the greater good, Glitch quickly picked it up before the garbage truck. Surprisingly, despite being in terrible condition with a cracked and hazy screen, the tablet still runs on. Browsing through the various files, one PDF that caught his attention was password protected. It's time we work with Glitch to discover the password and uncover any evidence lurking. So we're gonna learn about what hashes are, saving cache passwords, and cracking hashed files. Before we dive further, it's helpful to learn how password was saved in the authentication system. A long time ago, before security was a thing, password was stored in the clear text along with the associated username. When the user tries to log in, the system compares the password provided for this account with the saved one. Consequently, if the user forgets their password, someone with enough access can look up the table and respond something like, the password for this is this. This was a terrible idea, especially since the database can be stolen and it can't leak online. Unfortunately, users tend to use the same passwords for different services. Consequently, when an adversary discovers Joe blocks password from another service, they'll try it on Joe's other accounts, such as email. Yeah, this was the case for example, Roku. That's also where Roku wordlist comes from, so if you want to learn something more about this, check out Dark and Diaries episode on Roku. Jack Resider here brings it pretty neatly. I say so. Yeah, let's go. To protect passwords, even in case of a data breach, companies started to save hashed versions of passwords. For that, we need to use a hash function. A function takes an input of any size and returns a fixed size. For example, SA256 creates 256-bit hash value. In other words, this will return a 256-bit hash value regardless of whether the input file is a few bytes or several gigabytes. In terminal below, we demonstrate one with file being 2.3 gigabytes and another being 13 bytes. Yeah. Therefore, instead of saving the password verbatim as its hash is saved. For instance, if MD5 is being used, then this would be saved. Problem solved, not really. Firstly, MD5 is not considered secure. Secondly, in addition to choosing a secure hash function, we should add a salt, random string characters to the password before hashing it. In other words, instead of saving hash password, we would save password plus salt, along with the salt. Consequently, when the user tries to log in, the authentication system makes their password along with the saved salt, calculates its hash and compares it with the saved hash value. If identical, they are granted access. This makes the saved password more immune to a variety of attacks. Although it's recommended to use a modern secure hashing algorithm to calculate the value of the password with random salt before saving it, it really is not that shiny. In many cases, there are issues in the implementation, be it due to negligence of it or ignorance. In a recent story, a social media platform was discovered to have saved 600 million passwords in plain text for 7 years, despite all the security guidelines warning against that. In other words, password cracking is not yet over. On day 14, Mustafa Mayor intercepted data to eavesdrop on the village. Technically speaking, he was attacking the confidentiality and integrity of data in transit. Today, we'll expose how to view his password protected document. Technically speaking, we will be attacking the confidentiality of data at rest. That's about the CIA triad and all that. You can check out day 14. One aspect of our security requires us to protect data while it's stored. For example, flash memory drive, smartphone. On the other hand, the included storage files can pose an obstacle for good guys who are investigating the criminal case. The Digital forensics investigators need a way to find access to the plaintext files to provide or disprove any wrongdoings. In this case, private investigation succeeded. Bleach must figure out how to access the PDF file. Alright, so here is a bit about passwords. Opening a password for a document is nearly impossible unless we know or can find the password. The problem is that many users prefer to pick relatively easy password that can remember easily and then use the same password in multiple places. 50 most commonly. Alright, so here is 50 most common passwords. Monkey is the most common. Of course, to use them and get a bit creative, might replace the character with a symbol, might append the current year, memorial date, or a few random characters or numbers to the original word. Knowing that Mayor has a cat called Fluffy, some passwords we expect him to come up are Fluffy Cat, Fluffy224, unless he uses his name or title to create passwords such as Mayor 2024. Alright, so let's start the VM, and yeah, off we go. Oh, Tiberius made a walkthrough for this day. Yeah, we're gonna now crack the password found in the breach and as well password of PDF. Sounds cool to me. There's some error that is connected. Even let's try to reconnect and read it. Alright, enough learning. Password storage is time to crack some passwords. Data breach. Mayor had an online account. Now a now defunct format was breached and all of his user data was leaked. After checking online, we were able to retrieve Mayor's password in hashed format. We'll see above. By the way, I wonder whether we're gonna crack it with John or with Hashcat. I guess John, but yeah, let's go to AOC 2024. Let's go into server running here. And let's try to run Python. Yeah, let's first cat hash1 txt. We're gonna go to this directory, select this hash and split to copy it, and then we're gonna use hash ID. By the way, this command hash ID, something similar is available in Kali as well under the name hash identifier. I think it's even the same utility, just under a different name. 3 hash ID.py. Yeah, it's SHA-256. Oh, and yeah, we're using John. Let's close it, and we're gonna, yeah, as I told you, Rocky from a real data breach. Try password from Rocky. The command is false, so let's go with John -- format equals raw sh256 -- word list user share. Oh yeah, share word lists rawq.txt. By the way, the way they are organized, so first format and word list is not important. You can just switch them as much as you want to. Yes, as it was written here, format flag specifies format of a hash, so hash is this. Word list specifies from where we're taking the passwords, and hash is the hash file. Yeah, if you get this famos, then it means nothing was found. There's a high chance that Mayor added some transformations to his password. For example, he might have replaced A with 4 or added capital digits to his password. John can start from a long password list and attempt various command derivations from each of the passwords to increase the chance of success. This behavior can be triggered through use of rules. Various rules can be banned with John function configuration 1 suited for lengthy word lists. So just append this to the back -- rules equals word list. We should know that John will not spend computing resources to crack an already cracked password hash. Consequently, if you repeat the command that you successfully found a password error, you get a message, no password hash left to crack. See frequently asked questions. Let's say you have executed the command. Get the password. Then next time you want to see that password, you would just use John format this and show. Yeah. Now here's the craft hash, and this is the answer for our first task, which is Fluffy Cat 12. Let's go. Alright. Glitch has discovered Mayor malware's password used on breach online forum. Although there is a high chance that this password will be used to crack other online accounts by Mayor, Glitch does not want to go that route as it would violate the local laws and regulations. Instead of attending anything illegal, he focuses on data and he discovered in the Mayor's trash. There's one interesting looking PDF file that happens to be password protected. You can help Glitch break it. First thing you need to do is to convert the password file into the format that John can crack it. Luckily, the John Ripper Jumbo Edition comes with necessary tools. Different tools follow different naming stack conditions. Naming stack format to John. The terminal is shown below. So we're gonna use PDF to John. Yeah. Just use PDF to John.pl, which is Perl, if I recall correctly. Private.pdf into PDF.hash. Cat PDF.hash walks a charm. Alright, we're going to use the word list. Yeah, the considering to be large was just rock you. My rules suggest word list test the reviewed password. In this case, the approach works. Mayor has picked the password that doesn't exist in these public word lists and is not derived from any of the words found there. Knowing that Mayor malware, we see what he holds dear, which can be a hint at what he would consider for his password. Therefore, you need to create your own word list with the following words: fly with that Mayor malware, and save it as wordlist.txt. We save the above words in wordlist.txt for your convenience. Thank you so much. So let's just type in John --rules equals single --word list was word list .txt pdf.hash. And yeah, by the way, exactly, we have the password here. And yeah, John can also determine on his own how the data, but what type data is. And yeah, they can just utilize it. So here, for example, we need to provide that this is the password hash for PDF. We just need to pass the hash. And yeah, let's try to crack to open the private PDF file. Password protected documents. I have an amazing idea. I should take a hint. You can use PDF to text. Alright, so there's a utility for this. PDF to text. Right? PDF to text. Alright. Password afterwards, you can use the following command to display following. Alright, so we need to go back here. Not PDF to, but it's PDF. Yeah. To text dash, what was that again? Sorry, I have some UPV. Then the names were just, come on, do something. Private.pdf dash UPV. Password was copy. Oh, amazing. Okay, so we're gonna probably type PDF to text private.pdf-upv mayor malware. Mayor, oh, it's not IL, but it's 1. Alright, it's... Then we got something here. Yeah, we get private.txt. Let's go with head private.txt. Alright, there's plenty of stuff, and just get this. Do not get caught. And yeah, that's it for today. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoy it. If you like what I'm doing here, leave a like, subscribe, and stay tuned because something big is coming. Again, thank you so much for watching, and yeah, that's really about it. See ya.